Maximum participants of Rejang Sandat Ratu Segara performance. Get ready to be enchanted by a dance that carries the essence of tradition, sanctity, and a profound message. In the serene surroundings of Luhur Temple, Tanah Lot, something extraordinary was about to take place. 1,800 junior and senior high school students moving in unison, gracefully performing the Rejang Sandat Ratu Segara dance. But this was no ordinary dance. It was a sacred offering to Ratu Segara, the Queen of the Sea. The dance conveyed a vital message. The sea must remain clean and pure, a sanctuary for all living beings. All thanks to the dedication of Regent Putu Eka Wiryastuti and cultural enthusiasts, this event united generations in a spectacular performance. Stay tuned for more incredible records right here on the Asia Book of Records YouTube channel.